Okay, Tanya. First of all, congratulations, and I'm really curious to know how you were, preparing mentally and the team. There were some quite tough situations. There were a lot of, bottlenecks in the journey. What was the mentality of the team at that point?
The mentality was extremely positive. The energy was very high. जो हमारा चेन्नई 22 में experience रहा था, after that we were all very motivated, and I think nothing less than gold would have satisfied us with our performance. Because we were so close in Chennai, and it was such a big heartbreaking moment for us. Even though it was a historic bronze, we were not able to celebrate it. So this time the whole team just wanted to go with one agenda कि जो भी हो जाए goal लाना है. And I think the team spirit was very high. Experience came in very handy in those critical moments. Having played team championship, the Olympics, we had great captains, great coaches guiding us throughout. It was a full team effort, and I'm so proud of each and every team member.
That's wonderful to know. Now, what does this gold mean to you? You know, not just you, but the team and also all the young girls watching out there.
To me, it means everything, because to me, this is a dream that started 16 years ago and finally happened in 2024 in Budapest. And I think for chess, it is such a big moment, such an iconic moment to have the open team and the women team establish their domination as the superpower in the chess world, as the nation which has the biggest players coming out in open and in women. And hopefully this will inspire many generations to come. They will feel that they want to do it as well in chess, and I hope to see that happen. The youngsters played such a big role in the open and the women as well. So definitely the future of chess is now, and it's in India.
Clearly, this meant a lot to you and the team. How are you taking on the pressure? Do you have some pre-game rituals?
I think I've learned to deal with pressure again with experience better. Everyone has their pre-game ritual, the way we get ready for the matches. You have your routine set which put you into the zone, and those will always be there. What you feel works for you. For me personally, I've got a playlist that helps me a lot to get into the zone. But yes, of course, it's mostly preparation for the upcoming round.
And finally, has it sunk in yet?
Not yet. I think it's going to take a while because it's just been so much since we've come back. But everything has been beautiful and feeling immense gratitude.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
All the best for the future, and I hope you celebrate with lots of love.
Thank you.
Vaishali, first of all, congratulations. This gold means a lot, not just to you and the team, but also to all of us and the young girls who are watching. But has it sunk in for you yet?
Yes, it's slowly. Yeah, I'm very happy to be part of such a team, historical golden winning team. I mean, the Indian men team clearly dominated the field, and we had a setback in between the tournament. But I'm very happy we towards then played as a team, and I'm very lucky to be in such an amazing team. The girls delivered when needed, and yeah, I'm very happy that this year we won gold.
Yeah, and of course there were quite a few tight matches, a lot of bottlenecks in the journey as well. What was the mentality in the team? How are you all preparing to take on the pressure?
Yeah, I think 2 years ago we won bronze medal in 22 Chennai Olympiad. I think that experience really helped us to deal with all the pressure this time. We were really close to winning gold the previous time. We lost the last match and we had to settle for bronze. Even though it was our first medal for our country in the Olympiad, we could not really celebrate the bronze medal because we had missed out on gold, because it was really close to our hand, and I think that experience helped us dealing with all the pressures this time.
And for you personally, what was the biggest challenge throughout the journey?
We won like first 7 matches in a row very comfortably, I would say. And 8th round we lost to Poland. I lost my game. It was not easy because if you are playing an individual tournament, if you lose, I mean, it just goes with you. But when you lose in a team tournament, it affects the entire team. You are playing for a country. It's not easy to deal with it. And then again, I had a difficult game in the 9th round, but we managed to draw the match against US, and we slipped out of the lead. Last 2 rounds were really crucial. I thank the coaches and our captain Abhijit sir for helping us to get out of this. We were really determined to win the gold. I think all of them motivated all of us, and last 2 rounds were really crucial, and I'm very happy we win it.
Okay, and how do you plan to celebrate? What's next?
So in a few days we'll be leaving to London for another tournament, Global Chess League.
Yeah.
So not much time to celebrate, but I'm very very happy with the gold.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Vaishali. Thank you so much for being here and congratulations on the goal. I'd like to ask, start by asking, has it sunk in yet? And what does this goal mean to you and all the little girls, your girl as well? This means so much to all the young girls that are watching.
It definitely didn't sink in yet. I didn't even get to rest after the game yet. It's like been madness since then. So I still couldn't even sleep properly after that. So yeah, I mean, I think I'm enjoying also the process and how it's going on. Yeah, I hope, like I generally believe that that would be a greatest satisfaction that if I can inspire others.
We all know motherhood isn't easy, and on top of that, taking the pressure of an Olympiad. How do you do it all?
Yes, I think it's hard. It's very hard. Every mom can relate to it. Whichever profession, like everything, even without profession, it's really hard and stressful job to be a mom. I'm thankful for the support system I have, and because of my family, I am being able to do what I love, and then at least I want to inspire my daughter and everyone possible, even the moms, that you can try to do both if possible. But I think it's just I learned in my experience that you should never judge a mom. When I left my daughter after 4 months of delivery, I know the reasons, and when I saw people who were surprised about the decision, maybe some judgments too. I mean, even if they didn't, maybe my mom guilt made it. So I just believe that sometimes you have to go with your instincts and belief system, that what you're doing is best for your child, and you should just continue doing. And I will be glad, like, if she can be proud of me when she grows up.
We're proud of everything that you're doing.
Thank you.
And finally, I want to ask you about the dynamics in the team. There were a lot of bottlenecks, a lot of challenges throughout the journey. What was the mentality in the team like?
Yeah, I think until it was going well, it was just like everyone playing our individual chess and being, and it's working for the team. But once we got a setback, that's when we became a team, and okay, we're not liking it. Like, we lost our lead, but still we are in leading. So let's not spoil our mood, and now let's just kill it and get gold medal. And I think that's where the spirit started. And sometimes that's what they say, failures are best. So that one setback of the match gave us like a lot of spirit to come back stronger. And we have since then, like, we just had beautiful team bonding, and just the only thing in everyone's mind is to win the gold. And I'm glad that we made it.
I have a feeling you inspire everyone in the team.
I hope so. I don't believe in all. I don't think about all this. I'm always a person who believes that I'm still learning and trying to get better and better. So I don't think much. But if I can, and that would be, I would be really glad about it.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us. You're an inspiration, not just to young girls watching, but also young moms. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And tell us about the team dynamics. How did you take on the pressure all together?
Yeah, I think our team was very mixed. We three were very young, like Divya, Vaishali, me, and then we had the experienced players like Harika and Tanya. So I think mostly our strategy was to keep scoring on board 3 and 4, and to be solid, and whenever possible keep scoring on board 1 and 2 as well.
And tell us about what this goal means to you, not just to you, the team, and of course, young girls who are watching you guys.
Yeah, I think it has been just amazing. We feel on top of the world. To win after 100 years, India was not even. I think last year we won bronze in Chennai, and before that we weren't even able to win a medal. And to come now to win gold in both sections is just an amazing feeling.
And tell us about your meeting with PM Modi. How did it go?
Yeah, it was just amazing. He kept encouraging us and all, and it was a bit special for me too, because I went with a photo of mine, and which I presented to him also later. When I was 9 years old, I met him in Gujarat. Yeah, I became Asian champion, and then I was called there, and I was honored by him. So I was that time, when the motivation and encouragement that I got from him, I thought, okay, this is the time I have to keep working hard and reach higher, and make India feel proud. So I think that was, and when I presented it to him, he also felt very happy and he took the photo also with him.
And in the event, you guys talked about how you were supporting each other, the team, long nights, everything, all the pressure. What were the conversations that were going on between you guys?
Yeah, so I think usually we didn't talk much about so much, but whenever anyone was upset, something wrong happened, we just cheered her up that things can go wrong, but there are more games, so don't worry, just play and you'll do better.
And how are you planning to celebrate?
Well, just go home, relax a bit probably, and then celebrate with the family. Go out to some restaurant.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for talking to us, Manvika.
Yeah, thank you for having me.